Hey everybody out there. I'm going to make a video today on a really nice knife that a great friend of mine gave me to at Christmas time. And when I opened up this box, I was just in awe of what I was looking at. Simply just couldn't believe it. It was amazing. This here is my first ever Damascus knife, and it's the 5073R ram horn handle folding knife. So I told him, dude, these things aren't cheap, and he goes, don't worry about it. But he said he didn't care for the black sheath that it came in, and I says, you know, they gave you something that's better than nothing, you know. So let me take it out. I hope this turns out real nice in the video. My lighting isn't the best, but everybody knows that Damascus blades are of excellent quality and they're razor sharp. I'm left-handed, but they got the assist on the blade towards the right-hand side, and the pattern is just exquisite in my eyes. Now that's Damascus is a high-grade steel, and they use a high carbon and a low carbon mixture. You know, when they're welding it and forging it and hammer it, they do that several times to obtain 200 layers. The hardness of the blade is up to what they call a 55 HRC on the Rockwell scale, whatever that might be. I'm not familiar with that. When they're doing this, they're using a precision heat treating methods that are employed to provide the sharpest, most enduring edge available. The length of the knife overall is 23 centimeters. The blade itself is 10.4, and when the knife is folded, is 13 centimeters. Damascus steel is an advanced form of sharpening steel derived from centuries-old forging techniques used to create blades that are almost legendary in their reputation for strengthened sharpness. They also are recognized by the distinctive patterns on the surface of the metal that they have formed. Now, they call this a stratified layers of steel that are reminiscent of flowing waters, and as you can see that, you see what they're talking about. Now, also here, besides the steel blade, they put that on what they call bolsters, which are your front piece, end pieces. Those are bolsters. Now with taking care of the blade itself, and we keep it right there, so I don't want to get out of picture frame. Taking care of it, this blade is keeping it in a dry place, and they say that moisture promotes rust. These blades are rust resistant, but the best way to take care of it is when you use it is to wash it and dry it. And they actually say to put vegetable oil on it, or any lubricating oil such as WD-40. And over time, the blade will darken. And if you don't like that, they tell you to use a worn piece of sandpaper and go across the blade lengthwise, and that'll hit the raised edge pattern on the blade, and it'll brighten it back up. Now, the handle itself is ram bone, they call it. They use a ram bone, a buffalo bone, and they also use wood and camel bones that'll give each blade a different color, and it'll create slight imperfections that'll be present that makes each and every Damascus blade unique. The knife of the blade, like I say, has steel bolsters in it, and it's held together by brass pins with a brass inlay inside. And the pattern that they use is called a vine pattern file work. So let me show you that. And if you take a good look at that, let me try to get this blade back in here better. But if you look at that blade and you see this vine pattern file work, you're just amazed at the technique that's used to create such a knife like this. We say no two blades are ever alike. I could go buy another 5073 ram bone folding knife, and this portion will have a whole different appearance to it. But the bolsters and the blade itself, when they're hammering it, it gives it that flowing wall, what they call the flowing water appearance. And I think everybody that has a Damascus blade is pretty impressed and pretty satisfied with it. Like I say, I doubt if I'll do anything with this. I'll use this as a conversation piece. I try to look at a lot of specs on the blade, and I didn't see nothing. So if anybody knows why they call these a bolster, let me know. And if you know anything else about this blade, please leave your comments down below. But yeah, this is my Damascus 5073 ram horn folding knife. And I'm just, as I'm talking here right now, I just can't stop looking at it, to be honest with you. So if you purchase one of these, I'm sure you'll be very pleased. And please leave your comments down below about what you thought about this video, positive, negative. I'll respond in a polite fashion. And I want to thank everybody for watching this video ahead of time. And if you think you might like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I can always appreciate a thumbs up. And I want to say other thing is I've been gaining new subscribers, and I want to say to all the people that have subscribed to my channel recently, thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching some of my shit. I know my videos aren't the best, but I try to put out what I can. I do this more or less for a hobby. And if you feel like becoming a subscriber, please do, and I appreciate all new subscribers. So thanks everybody for watching this. The last thing I always tell on my videos is, when you go out to the range, please be safe out there, think smart, shoot straight, enjoy yourself while you're shooting, and have a great day. Until I talk to you later, take care of yourselves.